Okay.
You can adjust them as you put them together later.
With strong hands.
Excellent.
Right, that's enough. I'm not going to risk any more.
Yeah, don't.
That's enough. I don't know my own strength.
Okay, can you do it or
I think
sure?
so. I think if you hold this for me, then I'll tie the knot.
Yeah, excellent.
Ah, lovely.
Yeah, and let's just adjust.
Just adjust. They can overlap. Doesn't matter. Does it?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Then you'll cover the center. So yeah.
One, two, three, one more. Oh, and then on the final one, you have to have it on each side.
Yes, you can put a glue there and there. Yeah, both sides. Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
And now you have to do the same.
Go around
Yeah,
again.
until you're finished
Okay.
with all the layers.
So this time, do it like don't do it exactly the same place. You have to
No,
do it
you
on the
can't.
joint.
You can just put in between.
In between, yeah, that's what I'm
two.
thinking.
Yeah.
So maybe do it here. You have to go all along, or just
No,
where the
yes, because
ends?
yes, on the yeah. Don't need to put all along.
Lovely.
Yeah. Now just lift it. Yes.
It's probably stuck to it.
No, it should be.
Oh!
And you see, it's still a little bit open.
Yeah.
Too open, so you can add more petals. Yes, pull it out. Yeah, much better.
Magic.
Yeah, fantastic. You're gonna have to cut one more piece.
Yeah.
Which is for the
back.
For the back. Excellent.